Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Mark II Golf Stories. It's middle of winter, I've had a haircut, it's the best time of year for it. Today we're going to do a quick leak test on the Mark II Golf GTD. See if we can see if there's any exhaust gases, engine gases coming through the cooling system and out of the header. That will give us an indication of whether they've got a head gasket leak or not. Quite simple, we've got a little device to do it, which we put in the header tank. So let's get to it. So we're going to be doing the combustion leak test with one of these little kits. Don't know if you've seen these before, I don't know if they're any good or how accurate they are. But what you do is you put this fluid in here. I need to put a little bit more in. Put the fluid in there. Put it on the header tank. Start the engine up, and in theory the gases will come through, and if there's any exhaust gases, the colour of this liquid will change to green if it's a diesel or yellow if it's a petrol car. So let's get the car started, let's get this on and we'll give it a go, see what happens, see what it says. This is the fluid which goes in the top of this little funnel thing. Are you sure? So you put some of this blue liquid in this container. If there's any exhaust gases in the system, the liquid will turn green.
A few moments later.
Well, there we go, it didn't turn green, stayed blue. So I'm guessing that means we've got no exhaust gases coming into the coolant system, which is good. So that means we've not got a head gasket leak, maybe. I don't know, like I say, I don't know how accurate these things are. If you've got any ideas, let us know. I don't know if we still need to do a compression test on this bad boy. I'll speak to my consultant, Albie, and see what he says. But if you find it useful, maybe give one of these things a whirl. Drop a like and subscribe. It's getting cold now, so these videos are going to be becoming a bit less frequent, but bear with us, we've still got some more content coming out, got some things to do on the GTI, so watch out for those. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks a lot guys, bye bye, stay safe.